Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Ayatussyifa with registration number 19101171200005, and I'm from Semantics A2 class. Today, I would like to do a presentation about my article entitled An Analysis of Polysemy in Defenceless, song written by Tomlinson. Okay, now I will start with the introduction of my study. When communicating using language, it contains meaning that help people to understand what others try to convey. Meaning itself is messages that conveyed by words. Hence, when people can comprehend the meaning of utterances, it helps them to communicate effectively with their peers. Nevertheless, when society is incapable to comprehend the meaning of a language, it would hinder communication. Hence, to have the ability to comprehend the meaning of a language, people have to understand or studying semantics. Semantics is one of the linguistic branches that deal with the meaning of a language. Buell 2010 states that semantics deal with the meaning delivered by the utterances in language. By studying semantics, society could comprehend the meaning correctly and lead to communicative communication. Furthermore, in semantics, there are many types of word relations or lexical relation within a language. One of many types of lexical relation is a polysemy. Polysemy is a word that has similar sense and various meanings. As pointed out by Sternina 2006, polysemy is a word that has several meanings yet is related to each other from semantics perspective. Therefore, to avoid misinterpreting the meaning of utterances, an individual should be aware of various meanings held by a word. Since polysemy is a crucial thing for people to help them comprehend and interpret the meaning of a language precisely, it leads me as the researcher to research polysemy. In conducting the research, I tried to analyze polysemy in a song called Defenceless, which was written by a British singer named Tomlinson. Thus, the objective of this research is to find and analyze polysemy in Defenceless written by Tomlinson. Okay, now I will talk about the literature review of my study. Okay, polysemy is where one word has multiple related meanings. Lyons 1977, Falcum and Vicente 2015. Furthermore, Klein and Murphy 2002 mentioned that polysemy is the capability of a word that has multiple meanings which is beneficial to convey different ideas or thought about phenomena in reality. Thus, polysemy or polysemous words are helpful to assist people in expressing their thoughts or ideas. Moreover, polysemy is words that can penetrate natural languages and affects both the content and function of a word. Falcum and Vicente 2015. The phenomenon of polysemy happened due to the uniqueness of senses produced by human speech, Ullmann 1951. Therefore, polysemy results from human speech features that contain distinctive senses. In addition, Sennett 2016 points out that polysemy is used to characterize multiple meanings in a word. Hence, polysemy is an important thing to understand since it deals with various meanings within a word. Okay, for the method, I used descriptive qualitative to conduct this research. The subject of this research is a song written by Tomlinson entitled Defenceless. The researcher used content analysis to analyze the polysemy found in Defenceless by highlighting the polysemy vocabularies. Moreover, the researcher used an online dictionary named Merriam-Webster to help me to clarify the polysemous words found in Defenceless. Okay, now I will explain the discussion and the findings of my study. Okay, as we know that polysemy is one of many types of lexical relation in semantics, As stated before by Lyons, 1977, polysemy is a word that has multiple meanings yet is related to sense or having similar senses. Thus, polysemy is lexical relation in semantics that deals with multiple meaning carried by one word and it affects the meaning of utterances produced by people. In this paper, I tried to find and analyze the polysemy found in Defenceless, written by Tomlinson. I highlighted the polysemy's vocabularies and clarify the meaning based on the class of words they belong to. Okay, so here are the lyrics of Defenceless. There are a few lyrics that was repeated by the singer. And for example, here, the line "never been so defenseless" was repeated a few times by the singer. Thus, I do not analyze the repeated one because I already analyzed them before they were repeated. Okay. Okay, so the first one is the word flame. Flame here belongs to two classes, which are noun and verb. As a noun, it means the glowing gaseous part of fire, and as a verb, it means to burn with a flame. And the next one is the word tell. It belongs to noun and verb. As a noun, it means a revealing gesture, and as a verb, it means to relate in detail. And the next one is take. Take here belongs to two classes of words, which are noun and verb. Take as a noun means an act of taking, meanwhile as a verb it means to acquire by eminent domain. And the next one is easy. Easy here belongs to two classes of words, which are adjective and adverb. As an adjective, it means causing or involving little difficulty or discomfort. And as an adverb, it means without worry. The next one is say. Say here belongs to two classes of words, which are noun and, it belongs to three classes of words, which are noun, verb, and adverb. As a noun, it means an expression of opinion. As a verb, it means to express with words. And as an adverb, it means for example. Okay, the next word is wish. Wish belongs to two classes of words, which are noun and verb. As a noun, it means an act or desire of wishing for something, and as a verb, it means to have a desire for something. The next word is need. Need here belongs to noun and verb. As a noun, it means necessary duty, and as a verb, it means to be in one. The next word is hate. Hate here belongs to two classes of words, which are noun and verb. As a noun, it means extreme disgust or dislike. Meanwhile, as a verb, it means to feel extreme dislike. The next word is problems. Problems here belongs to two classes of words, which are noun and an adjective. As a noun, it means something that is difficult to deal with, and as an adjective, problem means difficult to deal with. The next one is dreams. Here, dreams. Dreams belongs to two classes of words, which are noun and verb. As a noun, it means series of thoughts, images, or emotions occurring during sleep. Meanwhile, as a verb, it means to have series of thoughts, images, or emotions occurring during sleep. Okay, so the next one is here. The next word is find. Find here belongs to noun and verb. As a noun, it means an act of finding, and as a verb, it means to come upon by searching or effort. The next word is much. Here, much. Much here belongs to three classes of words, which are noun, adjective, and adverb. As a noun, it means a great quantity, amount, extent, or degree. Meanwhile, as an adjective, it means great in quantity, amount, extent, or degree. And as an adverb, it means to great extent. Here, the next word is keep in line. No, you don't have to keep on being strong for me and you. Keep in here belongs to two classes of words which are noun and verb. As a noun, it means the means or provisions by which one is kept. Meanwhile, as a verb, it means to retain in one's possession or power. And the next word is strong. Strong belongs to two classes of words which are adjective and adverb. As an adjective, it means having or marked by great physical power, and as an adverb, it means in a strong or forceful manner. The next word is acting. Acting here belongs to two classes of words which are noun and adjective. As a noun, acting means the art or practice of representing character on stage or before camera comes. And as an adjective, acting means suitable for stage performance. And the next word is pain. Pain here belongs to two classes of words. As a noun, pain means physical feeling caused by injury, disease, or something that hurts the body. And as a verb, it means to make suffer or cause distress. The next word is insight. Insight belongs to four classes of words, which are noun, adjective, adverb, and preposition. As an adverb, as a noun, insight means an inner side or surface. And as an adjective, insight means relating on the inner side. And as an adverb, insight means on the inner side. Meanwhile, as the preposition, insight means on the inner side of something. And the next word is pride. Pride here belongs to two classes of words such as which are noun and verb. As a noun, pride means a feeling of respecting yourself and deserve to be respected by others. Meanwhile, as a verb, it means to indulge oneself in pride. And the next word is hope. In this line, I hope that I'm not asking too much. And hope here belongs to two classes of words which are noun and verb. As a noun, hope means desire accompanied by expectation of belief in fulfillment. And as a verb, it means to cherish a desire with anticipation. And the next word is defensive. Defensive belongs to two classes of words which are noun and adjective. As a noun, it means a position serving to protect or defend. And as an adjective, it means serving to protect or defend. And the last word is tough. Tough here belongs to four classes of words which are noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. As a noun, tough means that a tough and violent person. And as a verb, tough means to bear unflinchingly. And as an adjective, tough means very difficult to deal with. And as an adverb, tough means in a tough manner. Okay, so after I analyze these lyrics, I have found 21 polysemous words in Defenceless. The polysemy words mostly belong to two classes of words, which are noun and verb. In addition, there are few polysemy words that belong to adjectives, adverbs, and prepositions. Okay, now I will conclude what I have found from my research. Okay, to conclude, polysemy is one of many types of lexical relation in semantics, as we know that polysemy is a word that has various meanings that related or having similar senses. So polysemy deals with a lexical form that produces multiple meanings yet have similar senses. Understanding polysemy is necessary to determine the suitable meaning and senses from utterances produced by humans. By understanding semantics, especially polysemy, precisely, people can communicate with their peers effectively since they are able to interpret the meaning correctly. Moreover, after conducting the research to analyze the polysemy found in Defenceless written by Tomlinson, I have found 21 polysemy words in Defenceless. The polysemy words belong to two or more different class of words, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and preposition. Okay, so that's the end of my presentation, the end of my article. Thank you very much.